Hello Unity developers, I'm here to present the Psycho-Electro music pack. As I've done a lot of medieval and orchestral music, I thought it was time I released an electronic music pack. The idea was to combine the power of interactivity and random soundtrack generation to create a truly unique audio experience for your game. This music is suited for any dark sci-fi games such as BioShock, Deep Space, or any game which features stressful and gloomy atmospheres high in surprise and action. Let's hear the demo. When you click on one of the buttons, the randomly assigned sample starts playing. There are 3 intensity levels: ambient, tension, and terror. The shift between the different intensity levels is done with an automated script that fades in and out the different layers. The terror percussion loop only starts at the beginning of a measure so that the transition feels more natural. It also ends playing with a hit sample instead of a fade out. At any given time, you can start or stop samples within an intensity level by pressing on the button again. Upon pressing the reset button, all layers stop playing and new samples are reassigned to each and every button. So let's recap the features of this asset. You have 3 different intensity levels. You have 8 ambient synthesizer loops. You have 40 tension loops, which include 24 synthesizer loops, 16 percussion loops. You have 32 terror loops, which is 8 synthesizer loops, 8 bass loops, and 16 percussion loops. You have an automatic script for handling transitions and intensity levels, and you have a customizable soundtrack feature which I will demonstrate now. How to set up this asset? Simply drag and drop the Psycho Master script or the Psycho Basic script onto any game object. Drag and drop the Psycho Mixer into the Psycho Mixer cell so that the samples will play through the mixer tracks. And then the customizable soundtrack feature is available through the public integers listed in the Psycho Master or the Psycho Basic scripts. Looking at the first int, it reads ambient patch 07. By selecting a number between 0 and 7, it will choose one of the 8 loops available in the array of samples. By assigning a number to each integer, you can create your own custom soundtrack with your favorite samples. If you want the soundtracks to be generated randomly, simply put -1 into every cell and the script will randomly select a sample from the array. Now about the other features of the script. If you choose the Psycho Basic script, you will only need to activate the start boolean to start playing all the samples, the reset boolean to stop all samples and randomly reassign different samples to each intensity level, and the hit boolean which will play a hit sample at the next measure to provide a dramatic effect. You will have to manipulate the mixer tracks manually to bring in the different intensity levels and transition between the different samples. If you choose the Psycho Master script, the transitions will be handled for you. Simply use the code snippets provided in the code snippet script to find out how to use the Psycho master script. For instance, in your game, create a script which centralizes all the triggers and events, enemies, specific places, and inside that script, create a public variable where you will drop the game object to which the Psycho master script is attached, as shown in the code snippet script. Then, whenever an event is triggered, set the Boolean value of the Psycho master script to be true or false based on the desired intensity level. Since I'm manipulating the Boolean values with my mouse, the transitions are not as smooth as they would be using scripting. I hope you'll enjoy using this asset, and feel free to drop a comment, and don't forget to leave a review on the Unity Asset Store.